The VK100PS is a 4-inch centrifugal dryer booster fan. It comes ready to install with an included bracket and power cord. It enhances the efficiency of any dryer and saves energy by reducing drying time. The VK100PS is best paired with a Ventsus DLT454 dryer lint trap. It prevents lint buildup inside the ventilation duct system. A poorly exhausted dryer is not efficient, and it also can be a major fire hazard. Poorly ventilated dryers are one of the top 10 causes for house fires. The fan housing is made up of a very high-quality UV-resistant plastic that can withstand up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. The backwards curved centrifugal impeller prevents lint buildup on the blades, and is attached to a high-efficiency and reliable German motor. The fan includes a pressure switch which senses airflow, turning the fan on and off. The fan also includes a lifelong bearing. This fan is HVI and ETL certified to ensure product quality and performance. The fan can vent up to 100 feet of duct. This fan can very easily be mounted to the ceiling or the wall. The VKPS series also includes a 5-inch, 6-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch fan. For more information on the VK100PS and other products, please visit us at www.vents-us.com.